Motive fleet management and equipment monitoring give you powerful ways to manage your vehicles and assets. In this video, we'll show you how Motive provides you with unmatched visibility into your fleet and equipment. Then we'll take a look at the utilization insights you get from Motive. Let's get started. In one dashboard, you can see all your drivers, vehicles, and equipment in real time. You get the lowest latency GPS tracking in the industry, thanks to the Motive Vehicle Gateway and Asset Gateways. For vehicles, data refreshes every 1 to 3 seconds. For trailers and equipment, it's up to every minute. Motive automatically pairs your drivers, vehicles, and assets as a single travel group while they're moving together. Travel groups make it easy to reroute mismatched trailers and make sure the right equipment gets to the right place. We're currently the only solution on the market to offer this feature. You can also apply overlays like traffic and weather to see what could affect your schedule. Let's click on one of our vehicles here. Follow mode lets you follow your crew on the road in real time, which is helpful for tracking critical deliveries and valuable assets. You can also check on your drivers with live streaming. Drivers are notified when streaming starts and stops. Customers often use this to help their drivers navigate unfamiliar places or to make sure deliveries go as planned. Share live locations of vehicles and assets, so stakeholders have more visibility. The History tab helps confirm deliveries and resolve disputes. Let's say I have a customer claiming their shipment arrived about 10 hours late, around midnight. With historical activity records, I can verify the exact drop-off time and location, and the driver and vehicle who delivered it. The Vehicle History page also gives contextual details and flags events that occurred during the trip. Looking at this route, we can see flagged safety events. Hover or click on them for more details. We can see the speed, driver name, time, and exact address where each incident occurred. You can also watch a video of an event to get a clearer picture of what happened. On top of all this, you can view telematics data along the route. Select a leg of the route and see charts of the RPM, speed, and fuel level at various points. Motive not only lets you track vehicles, it also lets you track assets like trailers, excavators, and yellow iron through cable-powered or battery-powered asset gateways. When running cable power, our AG Mini provides continuous location updates every 1 minute and tracks engine hours and other advanced metrics. In battery mode, it lasts for 5 years at 2 GPS pings per day, but you can configure the rate, and you don't have to wait for a scheduled ping to get a location update. In this example, we're tracking a skid steer using an AG Mini in battery mode. This skid steer was just reported as missing, and I need to find out where it is. I can simply refresh its location using Locate My Asset, which works with minimal impact on battery life. With one click, I get an up-to-date GPS location in as little as 4 minutes. That's faster than any other solution. This feature can help you recover lost or stolen equipment and speed up yard hunts when looking for assets at job sites. For smaller items, we'll be offering our upcoming tracker, Motive Beacon. While AG Mini uses GPS to track high-value assets, Motive Beacon runs on Bluetooth. It's a powerful, scalable, and low-cost way to recover small items, improve inventory tracking, and reduce time scouring job sites. More than 1 million devices on Motive's mesh network continuously and securely listen for your beacon via Bluetooth, creating a trail of its last known locations. Our mesh network is made up of vehicle gateways, phones running Motive's apps, asset gateways on heavy equipment, and more. Never lose track of your smaller, high-value items again. Geofences are an easy way to monitor your assets. Quickly create a geofence around any location and you'll know exactly when drivers and assets leave unexpectedly. You can also see when they reach customer sites and other important locations. Motive saves historical logs of when vehicles or assets arrive at or leave specific locations. easily see how much time they've spent at each site. Motive helps you get the most out of your vehicles and equipment. How? By giving you data and insights like engine hours, movement, time on site, dormancy, and overall utilization metrics. You can view a utilization report that identifies assets with low usage, making it easy to redeploy them. Rental equipment companies even use our granular, time-stamped engine hours data to make sure they don't lose revenue from incorrect billing. With Motive, customers cut the amount of time spent on tasks like tracking and dispatching in half. Customers also increase equipment utilization by as much as 70% and reduce downtime by 62%. Motive customers have also reduced equipment theft and misuse by 72%, saving $220,000 annually by reclaiming missing equipment. Learn more about Motive fleet management and equipment monitoring at gomotive.com.